Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and in today's video I will be talking about a few fixes using which you can try to resolve the issues that you are facing with Facebook Messenger. So if Facebook Messenger is not working the way it used to be, then this video is just for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, the first thing that you can do if Facebook Messenger is not working is you can restart your device. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, it is important to restart your phone whenever any of the apps on your device is not working. So if Facebook Messenger is not working, you can simply long press if you are using Android device, and you can simply restart it, and then you can see if you are facing the same error or not. The next thing you can do is to force stop the Messenger app. So for that you have to go to settings section and you have to search for the Messenger app. After opening the app, you will see one option at the bottom right of the screen that says force stop. So you can simply tap that and it might bring your Messenger app back to its normal functioning. Alright, so you can try this out. The next thing you can do is to just restart your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, whatever you are using to use Facebook Messenger. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can simply turn it off and then turn it on back again, so that it can also fix the issues that you're facing with the Facebook Messenger app. Alright, and the next thing you can do is you can also try to update your mobile device operating system. So if you are getting any update for your mobile device, you can simply install it, as this can also fix some issues with the Facebook Messenger app. The next thing that you can do is to check the server status of Facebook Messenger app. If Facebook Messenger is down or if it is not working properly, it can be the reason that you are not able to use it. Alright, so for that you need to check the server if it is down or it is only you who is facing the issue. For that you can use a browser on your mobile device. So open any browser and then you have to type Facebook Messenger status. After that you will see this link right here that says Facebook Messenger down from the down detector website. So click on that, and here you will be see if the server is down or not. So currently it is showing that user reports indicate no current problems at Facebook Messenger. It means the server is not down. You are facing issues with the Messenger app due to some other reasons. So that's how you can check the server status. Now if the issue is still there, what you can do is you can clear the cache and data of the Messenger app. For that you again have to go to the settings section and search for the Messenger app. There, if you will go to the storage section, you will find the option to clear data as well as clear cache. So you can simply clear the cache, and if you are going to clear data, this will log you out of the Facebook Messenger app. So what you need to do is make sure you remember your password, otherwise you won't be able to log in again. Alright, so yeah, you can press clear data and this will completely log you out of the app, and then you can log in again and see if the Messenger app is working normally or not. Apart from that, you can even update your app. For that you can go to Play Store, simply search for the Messenger app, and if you see the update button right here, you can simply update the latest version of the app, and this might help in fixing the issues with Facebook Messenger. Apart from that, if you are already using the updated version, you can simply uninstall it completely from your device and then reinstall it from the Play Store. Alright, so that's how you can fix the issues with Facebook Messenger app. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more informative and troubleshooting videos. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where you will find similar tech related content. Thank you for watching.